Roxy wags her tail when I say yay. Here we go. Roxy. Yay, Roxanne! Oh my goodness. So excited. Yay, Roxy. Yay. Dance. Dance, dance, dance. Dance, dance, dance. Roxy, dance. Dance. Well, that might be how old ladies dance. Oh, Roxy, you want a treat? Besso, you want a treat? Besso, you were tap dancing for me earlier, weren't you? You just don't want anyone to know. Oh, Roxy, look at your tail. All right, you want a treat? You want a treat? Besso, you want a treat? You want a treat? Come on. Come on. All right. How about some Newman's Own premium organic peanut butter dog treats? Would you like that? Yeah, Roxanne says yes, I would. Yes, ma'am. Give me some, give me some. Woo-hoo. Yay! Roxy, dance. That's right. You're so cute. And you too, little Miss Quiet One. We know about you though. You're secretly crazy. Okay, ready? Besso, catch. Oops. Okay, Roxy, catch. Oops. All right. Roxy, catch. Besso, come on. Ready? Catch. All right, good girl, Besso. Ready? Right, Besso. Ready? Catch. Besso. Besso. Catch. Almost. Roxy, catch. Besso, look. There you go. Roxy, catch. Besso, catch. Oops. Roxy, here you go. All right. All right. Roxy. Whoops. That was 3-1 almost. Roxy, dance. Roxy, dance. Roxy. Besso, dance. Can you dance? Catch. Oh, good girl. Roxy, dance. Roxy, dance. Yay, Roxy! Okay, catch. Oh! Roxy, Roxy, catch. Almost. Oh my goodness. Did you fall down? It's way in there. Way in there. There you go. And Miss Besso, I got one for you. Where'd it go? Thought it was over here. Okay, let's say goodnight. So can you say goodnight? Say I love my mommy. Yeah. You're a good little honey. Kisses. Oh, I love this girl. Come here. Come here. We need someone else to take our videos. We're gonna have to enlist the peeps. Roxy, come here. Come here. Roxy, come. Good girl. Say good night.